If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. One day Buddha went to a village he had never before. He knocked on the door of one of the houses in the village with his begging bowl. After some time, a lady came out and she became furious to see a monk with a begging bowl in his hand. Lady started abusing Buddha. You are looking fit enough to work. Then you want to have food without working. And she kept on abusing him. But Buddha stood still listening without any reaction and waiting for her to finish. She paused to catch her breath. Then she asked, "Why are you simply standing like a stone? Say something." Buddha said, "Mother, if an offer has come and if it is not accepted, to whom does it belong?" Lady replied, "I offer you nothing, just get out of my place." Buddha gently replied, "Mother, the time I met you, you have been offering me whatever you have." The lady realized that Buddha was referring to the abuses she made on him, and she asked, "So, your question is, if the offer is not accepted, to whom does it belong?" Buddha smiled back. Lady realized her mistake and she bowed to Buddha for forgiveness. Buddha finally said, "As a mirror reflects an object, and as stand-still lake reflects the sky, take care of what you speak, and how you act is always good. For goodness will always cast back goodness, and for harm will always cast back harm." Then she bought some food for him. Buddha thanked her and he continued his journey. You see in life, your life. Never let anyone take control or empower you through their anger and words. Instead, be the mirror and reflect them. Be mindful and control your emotions. By controlling yourself, you will never get affected by anyone. And the only person who is going to get affected by the negativity in them. And remember, whatever you give it to others, you will get the same in return. This is Wise Man Quotes. Stay blessed, stay motivated. Please subscribe our channel for more motivational contents.